Okay, hello there, it's Brenda Knoll, and this is Inktober 2020, day 10, and the prompt for this day is hope. So I was thinking about it, and I couldn't really decide what to do, but in the end, I thought I'm just going to utilize some past artwork. If you have watched any of my videos so far, you might know this, but if not, I'll just tell you that part of my preparation for Inktober 2020 was to make some DIY clear gesso so that I could utilize some past artwork as an underpainting and also utilize the technique of negative space painting because I've seen some stuff and it was very exciting to me and I wanted to do that. So I've done that quite a few times so far during Inktober. I can't think of it right off the top of my head how many, but I decided to do that today. And when I looked at the past artwork that I'd already gessoed in preparation for this month, I thought that the rose and this past painting would be really great for the O, and I would just do hope, the word. And that's all the planning that went into this. Then I also decided to tape off the edges because I thought, well, that might be interesting to have the old painting be on the edges. And so that's what I did there. So I'm really enjoying this painting over past artwork and then scratching into the surface to reveal the underpainting. I just find it really exciting. So one thing I'm always struggling with here, and this is no different in this painting, is contrast. I do have a difficult time in my paintings developing my contrast. When I look at this, I probably should have stuck with the darker background because the lighter background just doesn't seem like it has enough contrast. But oh well, you know, there's always tomorrow, and every day I get closer and closer to what I'm wanting to, where I'm wanting to be, so that's just how it goes. I really love the underpainting showing through as I do in every painting that I do like this. I just find it really exciting because I didn't plan it. It just reveals itself that way, and I really enjoy it. So I'm having a good time with that. Okay, so here you can see I'm just finishing up this painting by putting in some details with the white acrylic pen. I don't know, something about these big fat dots is really making me happy, so that's what's going on there. This painting has so much texture. I really like the way it came out. So if you remember, I had taped down those edges, and in a minute you'll see me pull those edges up. And so one thing I get asked pretty frequently by students and a bit other folks is, how do you keep from tearing your paper when you, well, what kind of tape do you use? Well, I use whatever kind of tape you want to use. Just tear away from the painting and off to the side. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. As always, please like, subscribe, share, follow, etc., etc. All those things you do on the internet cost you nothing but mean a lot on the internet. It supports my art. Thanks. Bye.